What's up, everybody? Is this thing working? Hello, hello. Okay, I'm a little washed out. It should fix itself. There it goes. All right, so we're back for the recap today. We're having a really good time trading here lately. Things have been going really well. Um, Changed my strategy just a little bit, just kind of tweaked it a little bit. I'm trying to take safer trades. I think one of the things that you talk yourself into trades and stuff like that, and you talk yourself into FOMO and into things, and it's not until you actually start trading right and taking good deals until you realized how much you were doing that. So, like some of the things that I've been trying to do lately is making sure that I get a good pullback. I want to get value for my trade. My entry, I want my entry to be really good. There's so many stocks that are in play during the day, and there's really no reason to kind of like hope that you're getting a good entry whenever you can just wait, mark out some levels, and make sure you're getting a good entry. So that's what we've been doing. It's been working out for us. I was up like 8.5% on my account last month. Yeah, excuse me. And we did. I think we were up like. Well, it says we're up 1.14% for the day today. So you know, if I can get 1% every day over the course of a month, that's a 20% gain on my account. And you compound that, you're making really good gains. So just to go over some of my trades today, start with this last one. CRDO had earnings. I marked out this level right here. It came down to my level, but I didn't just buy it. I waited for it to come all the way down. And whenever I saw it base out down here, that's really low. I took that trade and, well, let's see. I sold it right here, basically. It came down here. I took this wick all the way down here, and then I sold it when it came back up to my line. So I made like almost $10 a share on that trade. Pretty much just took a lot of good trades though today, like Robinhood. I made out on that one. IREN data center play, made out on that one. Nvidia made out really good on that one. CoreWeave, I did really well. Palantir, I did really well. I don't think I had any losers today. They were all winners. And I also didn't make the mistake of in this FLNC. I took that one also. That was one I took that was also a really good one. Um, yeah, so I think I was 100% accuracy today. Really good trading day. The PDT rule goes away on the 6th, so we should be able to really start doing some good things then. Um, really don't have a whole lot to say. I just wanted to kind of get on and show my face because I haven't been doing it here lately because I've really just been focusing in hard on the trading and just being very disciplined, very measured entries. And then also the other thing I would say that I've been doing that I'm taking a little bit bigger share size so that whenever something makes a move up, I can piece out of it a little bit, um, dial in some profits, and then leave a few shares or a share or whatever it is as a runner, in case it just keeps going. So I've been taking profit, and I think that's one of the things. Like in the past, you're scared of missing out on a big runner or something like that, but you didn't take enough share size, so there was no way really to take profit. So you have to sit in it, and then it ends up reversing on you, and you end up not making anything on it. So having 5 shares at least or something like that, so you can piece out as it's losing momentum, and then leave a few to run in case it wants to keep going. So that's been a big deal. Um, Taking that profit and then leaving the runner, and then the other thing is getting out of them if it's not a good trade. Which, if your entry is good, that's not really a problem. I haven't really had too big of a problem with that one right now. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. I just wanted to just jump on and just say that this is the first day of June. Like I said, we were up 8.5% on our account last month, and I want to just keep that going. So we're off to a good start this month. If I can just keep the big red days away, because those really like drag you down. You know, if you can just have green days every day, even if they're not very big, that all that adds up. Everything adds up. Getting an extra 50 cents on an entry per share, or getting out, taking the profit, and leaving the runner, or um, this CRDO earnings play that I did right at the end of the day. I made $10 a share on that one. It was just one share. I was pretty much out of capital. I had to add to my account so I could take that trade, but I didn't want to miss that opportunity. I recognized that it was an opportunity. I recognized that they were probably going to beat earnings, and I also recognized that on earnings after hours, they normally sell off and they bounce, just like this right here. So, um, you can take advantage of that. It's easier to see on the, let's see, I'll put it on the 10-second. Yeah, so you see here it comes down. I take it down here, it bounces up here, and I sell on this bounce. And you got to get out, right? You can't stay in it because then it rolls over. And now you're stuck in it until it comes back up, and it never came back up that high again. See, it's at 204 right now. I sold at 212. So those are just some of the things that you have to be aware of. And I'll let you guys go. I don't want to ramble on too long, but yeah, we're excited about the month. And other than Bitcoin and Ethereum dragging my account um, every day, I'm down like, well, this $33.80. I would have double the day I had pretty much if these weren't continuing to roll over. If you look at the chart, it looks horrible. It based out right there, but it's just in a nosedive. So that's not good. And then if you look at Ethereum, it's kind of the same way. It's hard to see with this on there, but comes up and then it nosedives off. And we're basically at resistance right now, support. But all right, I'll let you guys go. We'll be back at it tomorrow, and hopefully I'll be doing some more recaps and trying to stay a little bit more on top of it. I just have been so focused on the trading that haven't been doing them. So